Hello, welcome to my channel. Here we are going to solve this problem, and we make use of AutoCAD to solve it. The question says that construct an isosceles triangle PQR, which has a perimeter of 200 millimeters and a vertical height of 600 millimeters, 60 millimeters, and we have to draw an inscribed circle to the triangle. So that is the question. So let's start. So we need to put on the auto mode. So we need to put on the auto mode. Then we click on line. Then we draw horizontal line of length 100 millimeters. You divide the given perimeter by 2. So then we have 100 millimeters. So enter. All right. So then the next thing that we are going to do here is that I want to draw a short line at this point to indicate this end, because I want to draw a semicircle at this point. So then I need to extend this horizontal line to the right side. Okay, so that's it. All right, so we have this now. So I'll deselect it. So I'm going to label this point. So I'm going to label this point. So we label the point. So we have to give the height of the letter. So the height is 2 and the rotation angle is 0. So we have to do this. So we come to this point here. So I'll call this point A. So then I will call this point here. I will call it point B. Okay, so that's it. So then we escape this. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a semicircle. I will click on circle and then I will put at this point. So I will make the radius to be 10. So the radius is 10, so enter. So I'm going to trim this. So I will trim this and remove this. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so escape. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to draw a vertical line at this point. That's the purpose of drawing this semicircle, so that I can make use of this point and this point to draw the arcs. Okay, so we come to arc, and then we select this particular type of arc, center, start, length. All right, so I'm going to, from this point, so I will give it a length. So so I give it a length of 40. So length of 40, so enter. So then it goes in this direction. Okay, so then we have that. So then I will take this type of arc, make use of this point. So then, so I will also give a length of 40. So this is 40, enter. So it goes in this direction. Okay, so we have this. So now, so I can draw a line. So from this point, so passing through the point of intersection of the arcs. So this is it. All right, so we have this now. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to, I need to locate a distance here, or a point here, which should be the vertical height of the triangle, which is 60 millimeters as we are given in the question. So what I'm going to do to locate that point, so I will come to arc again. Okay, so I will select this type of arc, then I will come to this point. Okay, so and I will give it a length of 60, which is the vertical height. So 60, so it goes like this. All right, so we have this point. So this point now, this distance from here to here is the height or the vertical height that we are given. So I want to label that point. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'll copy it. So put up the auto mode. Then I'll copy it and bring it here. Okay, so bring it to this point. All right, so then I will edit it and I'll make it point, point R. Okay, so I'll make it point R because we're asked to construct a triangle, isosceles triangle PQR. So this point is point R. So as you see there, okay, so we have this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a line, okay, a line that will connect this point R and point A together. So like this. So we have this line. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to bisect this line PR. I will bisect line PR. So to do that, so we come to arc here. So we select this particular type of arc, and from point A, so I'm going to give it a length. So I give it a length of 70. So 70, so it goes in this direction. Okay, so this is okay here. So then I will also click again. So select this type of arc, and then so from here, so I will take it to this side, and the length will still be 70 millimeters. So we have length 70, and it goes in this direction. Okay, so I have it here. Then I'm going to make use of point R. So select the same type of arc. So then coming to this point R here, so I will take it like this, and I give it a length of 70. So it goes like this. All right, so we have this. Then I will repeat it again. So taking it directly. So and then so we have it. So from here we have what we have. We give it a length of 70. So this is 70. Enter, and it goes like this. All right, so we have this. Okay, so we are now going to draw a line to connect the point of intersection of the arcs together. So it goes like this. All right, so we have what this is what we have. So I'm going to extend this line, okay, just a little bit down, and then I will take it a little bit up. All right, so this, okay, so all right, so we have this. So this line, this bisector of line AR, so it touches this line AB at this point. So this point is point P. So I'm going to label that point. So I will copy this. So take it from here and bring it to this point. So this point, so I'm going to edit this. So this point is point P. So we have P there. Okay. All right, so I need to re-edit it. So we have double of that. So this is point P now. All right, so now, so this is what we have here now. So the next thing that we have point P here, this is point P. So where the bisector touches line AB. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I need to transfer the distance PB to this side so that we can draw the isosceles triangle. So I need to extend this line, okay, a little bit. Okay, so I will select it. So now, so we need to, what is distance from here to here? That is what we want to know. Distance from here to here. So we want to know the distance from here to here. So how do we do that? So I'm going to take the measurement of that distance. Okay, so I will come to here and take the measurement of that distance. So that is from this point to this point B here. Then I'm going to, so this is 31.7380. So 31.7380. So that is what we have there. So just press escape key to remove that. So 31.7380. So I'm going to, then I will come here and take this particular arc. So this point will now be center. So then I'm going to give it a distance of that length, 31.7380. So it goes like this. So that's the point. So this is the point. So I will just will now label this point. So I'm going to copy this. Then I will move it to this point. Okay. So I'm going to edit it. So this is point Q. So here we have point Q here. Okay, so we have it there. So then, so next thing I'm going to do is to form the triangle. So I will click on line. Then I'm going to join. So I'm join PR together. Okay, then I will take it to Q. Then I will join together with R here. So this is the isosceles triangle. So let's make it look thicker than this. All right, so we select the line. So that's it. All right, so then we ask to draw an inscribed circle within this triangle. So let's quickly do that. So what we are to do is that we are to bisect any two angles, so of this triangle. So how do we do that? So to bisect the angle, so I'm going to come here. So select this type of arc, center, start, end. Center, start, end. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay, center, start, end. Okay, so just let me look at it first. I've not used it before. So this is the center, and this is start, and here is end. Okay, so then I will take it again. So draw an arc. So if we are to bisect an angle, we need 3 arcs to do that. Okay. All right, so then I can go on and bisect. So I want to bisect these 2 angles, and to do that, I'll come here. So take this particular type of arc, then I will take it here. So take the length as 40. So I just take the length as 40. So it goes in this direction. Okay, so then I'm going to take it again. So using this point at the center, then so the radius is still 40. So 40. All right, so we have it. Okay, let me repeat it. So this is the point. Then so I will start like this. So 40. So it goes like this. All right, so we have that. So I can now draw a line. So from this point, so through the point of intersection of the arcs. So I have it here. All right, so then I'm going to do the same thing here. So I will take the same type of arc here. So make use of this point. Then so I'll give it a distance of the length of 40. So this is 40. So it goes like this. All right, so then I will also take it again. So make use of this point, and I will give it a length of 40. Okay, so we have this. So now, so I'm going to draw a line. So 3 point of intersection of the arcs. So it goes like this. So this is it. Okay, so where these 2 bisectors of these angles meet is the center of the circle. So that is of the circumscribed circle. So I'm going to label this point. So I'm going to label this point. So I will label it as point O. So I will just copy this. Okay, so bring it to this point here. Okay, then I'm going to edit it and call it point O. So that's it. So then I will take a circle. This is the center. So it goes like this. All right, so this is it. Okay, so we have the circumscribed circle. So I'm going to make it to be more to look more thicker than this. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this is what we are asked to do. So we have constructed the circle. So we constructed a triangle, the isosceles triangle that we asked to construct, and then we construct an inscribed circle. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.